Hello, fourth graders. This is your writing lesson for Wednesday, May 6th. As you can tell, I have my personal essay in front of me. I wrote my introduction, one body paragraph, and today I'm going to work on my next body paragraph. Before we even begin, I'm going to show you how to access all of your work. So I'm going to open up a new tab in my Google Chrome. When I get to my Google website, I'm going to go to the waffle, click on Drive, and this is where you can access all of your work. You could go to Recent, and if it's not in Recent, go to Search. You are going to search for your personal essay. So when you search personal essay, I have a lot of other students that pop up, and you're going to find yours, and you're just going to have access to yours. And you're going to click on it, and you'll be brought to your personal essay. Now you should have the introduction and one body paragraph done by today. Okay, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, in Google Drive, you should open up your thesis statement so you have access to looking at your thesis statement, your 3 reasons. Another document you should have open is your article and video note-taking, because then you can always refer back to these to use as quotes in your essay. Another document you should have open is your personal stories, and here's my one personal story that I'm going to use today, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first I'm going to go to my thesis statement. I already wrote about how schools and businesses are closed, so I'm done with that one. And what you're going to do today is just going to choose one of your one of your reasons that you think is the best. And the other one you're going to cross out because we're not going to use that one. Okay? So I'm choosing how I miss my family and friends. I'm choosing this one right here. So what I do is I go back to my essay and I'm going to restate my thesis, how I'm anxious, and this is another reason, so I'm going to write, I am also anxious during this quarantine because I miss my family and friends. This is where I'm going to add a personal story. So I'm going to go right up here to my personal story, and the great thing is I already spell checked and everything here, so I know everything's correct. I'm going to copy my story. I'm going to go back to my personal essay, and I'm going to paste it. So already I have so much more. So copy and paste it, and I have so much written down. So I have a personal story in here. I can continue writing. I could look back onto my notes. I could see if anything else I want to write about. I'm going to pause my video and I'm going to type a little bit more. So I add a little bit more to my writing. After the story about my sister, I continued here. Not only do I miss my sister, I really miss my grandfather. He is 85 years old and I really need to stay away from him because he can easily contract the virus and I do not want him to be ill. And I thought about the note-taking I did from last week's work, and during this article, I copied down, it can make you and your family safer. Social distancing can also help your grandparents, friends, and strangers who may have a higher risk of getting a serious case of the virus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of this, I'm going to copy it, and before I write that, I'm going to paste it over here. I'm just going to press enter. And I'm going to paste it because I'm going to use that. And before I do that, I want to introduce it, right? So I might say in the article, and I'm going to go back and I can copy the article as well. And I'm going to say it says, or it states, comma, start quotations. Then you can paste it in there. Make sure everything is not italicized, but you should keep the article's name underlined. After I quote from the article, I want to explain it. So I can say, since saying social distancing helps others, I could say this shows me that social distancing will help keep my grandfather safe. Oh, and I spelt it incorrect. So again, I want to show you. I could go to Tools, Spelling Grammar check, and I can accept it and move on. Looking at my paragraph that I began today, I believe I'm done. So that is 2 ways that you can add to your essay. You can add a personal story, like I did, and you can add a quote. Make sure you have your thesis statement open and you're only writing about 2 reasons. So Tuesday you chose 1 reason, and now Wednesday you're choosing your other reason. This should only have 2 body paragraphs. If you have any questions, please come to my Zoom. I will help you